I don't like this.
Well,
I don't like this.
that's a shame. Today we're going to see if it's possible to take meat and process it until you can turn it into a foam. A while ago, we used our little whipped cream container here, as well as some xanthan gum and VersaWhip 600K to turn a bunch of drinks like sodas, and I think you had a nice coffee and stuff like that, into like whipped cream texture.
Yeah, that's acceptable. This isn't.
Well, there was someone who wanted to see what else we could do with it. So today we have 3 types of meat, and we're going to blend them like beyond what meat has ever been blended before until it's basically just a liquid. We're gonna strain it, and then we're going to see if we can add those same chemicals, put it in our whipped cream container, and turn the meat into a whipped texture.
What do you want to start with?
Turkey.
Turkey.
So it's already ground up.
Perfect.
Okay, got some ground turkey here. All right.
It's turkey.
4.
See, this is what I thought. It's gonna get stuck on the
Yeah.
sides. It needs some water.
Yep. All right.
I'm just gonna go with as little as possible. A couple tablespoons.
It's like a weird consistency.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously it's a weird consistency, but like that I've never seen the blender have to deal with.
Yeah.
All right, so that is pretty thin, but I don't think it's thin enough to go through the thing. So I think we should actually just add a noticeable amount more water to get it liquid, and then we'll be able to run it through the strainer.
Sure.
All right, that is a disgusting turkey-based liquid, and I mean disgusting.
Turkey water.
So I think we needed 1% by weight of this, so really only about a gram.
Okay.
Gotta make sure it goes down toward the nozzle side. And now we see if we can make turkey foam.
No!
Oh yeah, look at that.
Are you proud of what you've done?
Proud's an interesting word for it. Now, I don't think if we look online, we're gonna find instructions on how long to cook this for. But
I think you're right. It's kind of like chicken nugget consistency at this point.
go pop this in our oven. We're gonna start with 15 minutes.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's blending up nice.
No. That is unacceptable.
It just smells like fish. Like if you were gonna get served fish at a restaurant,
Yeah.
you'd be like, salmon.
Yep. Okay.
How interesting that this is the less objectionable one. I bet if we left it out for a day,
Cool.
I think we did get it smoother,
Good.
but I think we can go a step farther.
Oh yeah. Much better.
Oh yeah. Okay, there we go. This is starting to get some texture, which means it's time to turn it into foam. Yeah, look at that. Pure salmon with a little bit of water and some VersaWhip and some xanthan gum, but mostly pure salmon. Still just smells like fish with gelatin. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. Look how nicely that's coming out with our extra blend time. Super happy we're doing this?
Oh, this is the best, guys. This is the best. Last, but definitely not least, we're gonna blend steak. All right, we're gonna do one more, and then we're gonna do it Nate's way, and we're going to throw it into the bullet too.
steak foam. Here we go. Ooh,
That is liquidy.
that could be a little more foamy.
There you go. All right, it's going in the oven.
So I have no idea how long you're supposed to cook meat foam. I just cooked it until it didn't seem like soupy anymore. I had a thermometer, so I was able to test the inside temperature.
What happened?
You know, I do have some salt, pepper, and garlic powder that we can just add to. I'm just gonna add some salt here on the turkey because
Sure.
I think it's gonna help. Just gonna take a little scoopy. It's still a little liquid
Gross.
parts. It's very reminiscent of like eating tuna fish, except that it doesn't, it's like a turkey flavor.
Turkey chip.
Yeah, that part that really cooked, how's that? Actually, I mean,
That is odd.
actually what that tastes like to me is like turkey skin. Like if you had turkey skin that got crispy on a Thanksgiving turkey or something.
Yeah,
It's
I could
quite
do
a
that.
bit like that. Similar crunch texture, similar flavor coming through.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not like really good.
No, but it's edible. All right, let's try, our salmon. There is no excusing that texture.
That is really bad. It's honestly like we literally added water. It does taste watered down,
Yeah.
which normally you can't do to meat, but we did it. We figured out how. But the texture is revolting. Just paste. Like,
It's like somebody already chewed it up for us.
yeah, that's very bad. Very bad. Here we have our steak. This was the first one that we sprayed out, and then this was just, I kept shaking the container more and sprayed the rest out.
Oh, good. This is gonna have that awful texture too.
Yes, it is.
I hated that.
It doesn't even taste like steak. Like it doesn't taste like beef.
Nope.
Overall, you shouldn't do this. But you can, is what we found out.
You can turn meat into
Can
foam.
make meat foam.
Maybe there's some practical application for like very fancy restaurants, like just a tiny bit on top of crackers or,
Yeah,
but no.
crackers that took 11 days to make and cost $48 each. But the important thing is it can be done
Yep, can be done.
and shouldn't.
And you should not do this.
No.
Don't do this.
Guys, thanks for joining us for this strange experiment. If you like this kind of content, hit that box right there to watch another one of our great videos, and we'll see you next time. Dr. Dunn.